We've just finished 3 days at the 2015 European Manufacturing Strategy Summit, the 11th Summit. Very interesting event. Two issues coming out of it: the empowerment, the involvement of people, the unstated assumptions, the beliefs and the attitudes, the culture side, major component of achieving operational excellence. And also the technical side, the processes, the technologies, the disruptive technology and the potential for that to implement a competitive advantage. We've heard from people who have implemented, we've seen from their perspective what has worked and what hasn't worked. And I think what's really interesting is we've had a glimpse into the future of what might be. Stratasys talked about 3D manufacturing. It's been around for a long time, been around for 30 odd years. Now becoming something that's really important. And the speaker suggested manufacturing as entertainment. So you take that forward and take manufacturing as something that provides a competitive advantage. Very fast response, ability to produce one-offs in a customizable style. For example, bespoke running shoe. Customer chooses what they want. They choose the style that they want, they choose the fabric, they choose the material, they choose the colours. Any pronation requirements to adapt the sole to what they need. It's their product, specific to them, nothing like it in the world. They then feed that into the manufacturing system and they can watch that being made. Simon Jacobson from Gartner talked about the customer experience. There's an opportunity for manufacturing to become part of the experience of the customer in purchasing their product. So they see the product coming out, they see their product being manufactured, they experience the manufacturing as entertainment. There's something that they created that's theirs, being produced for them, that they can use. This is something that allows a business to provide a competitive advantage. It moves into servitization, so providing the service as well as the product, or possibly just the product, providing the service alone instead of just the product. But providing something that, for their business, manufacturing gives a competitive advantage to, something that their competition can't meet. So manufacturing becomes not just a requirement or something that's necessary to make the product, but something that gives the business a competitive edge. And I think over the course of the 3 days, we've seen several different aspects and how that can be achieved. I think the EMS Summit's important because it brings together key decision makers, key influencers from a broad range of industries. These people are here not just to understand the theory and the art of what's possible, they're here to understand how to actually achieve it, how to implement it. And I think the strength of the summit is in the practicalities. What do they do? The way I would express it, when they go back to their facility, what do they do at 9 o'clock on Monday morning to make this happen? And I think that the EMS Summit provides some of the answers for that. From a personal aspect, I enjoy meeting people who are involved in frontline manufacturing. Having had a real job 5 years ago, now working in academia, I find it is always refreshing to be talking to people who've dealt with similar issues that I have dealt with. So the breadth of people that come to the EMS Summit from all sorts of different industries, high-tech, low-tech, small businesses, multinationals, it's always fascinating to talk to them about their experience, how they're implementing excellence, how they're trying to give their business a competitive edge.